Okay, we're over here on Vail Lane, one of the newest subdivisions and new build communities in Santan. It's right across from the country club, really exclusive lifestyle neighborhood. This is actually by Newport, is the owners. This is a 1660 model that we're gonna take a look at really quick. And I want you guys to see the floor plan. They've got a few features that are pretty cool. When you walk in, you've got 2 bedrooms. They're right here. Hi. And you can see, of course, they're still building this one. This one's already been sold on the corner here, but it's a perfect example because it's pretty completed. When you walk in, you go down to the kitchen, or off of the garage, you've got another bedroom as well as a laundry room. And the coolest feature is this laundry room has a door that leads into the master closet and the master bathroom. So laundry from the master is easy, and even walking in from your garage to your master is a breeze. Literally, it could be a breeze all the way through. We do have a little bit of a walk-in pantry, granite, espresso colored kitchen. You can see this is a pretty good sized living room with a little bit of an office den area there. Double doors leading in. You have a cracked window there that they're repairing right now. But even a shower and a tub in your master bath. They do have several lots in the back that they just reserved that I know that probably gonna make another 40 lots in the future here. They've already sold out 2/3 of this community. And they're opening them up only at 5 at a time. So if this is something that you're interested in, let me know. We can put our name on the list. Since it takes 5 or 6 months, it might be something you really consider doing now, so that way it is ready by the time that you plan on moving in or having the cash for the down payment and really paying for it, rather than waiting 6 months and letting the money burn in your pocket. So we all know how that goes. Then you start thinking about other things you could buy. So give me a call, give me a text.